Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital Shillong, haga shitarek unay lar 8,000 arpawar, kalayo ban Plie yalaka jong ka website, kanang ban pensuk bat yaram, ban ay jeng pentep ikipat ba, bat ban batay lang ba ka website. Haga jo ka por la Plie yaka documentary video, kabalapen inadu ki por badang-sedang, banseng yaka ka jaka ay jeng sumar, hadu ka por bamenta. Bagatay ka jaka ay jeng sumar kalakenjo, siya ka shispas nem mentaos nem. Lapli pat ba yakatay ka website do ba Ebenezer Lengwa, ubalong ru kum ukongsan. Ha ka jingadan lang u Dr. Arnong Rom Medical Superintendent, ba KW Marbanyang Administrative Officer, ki Dr. Bat Kiwe.
His service to God are simple to understand, but are in no way simple to live by. These are the words that breathed life into the mission undertaken by the founders to lay the foundation of Roberts Hospital. In Mission Compound, Shillong was what started his mission in healthcare for the people of Meghalaya. After seeing the severe gaps that existed in healthcare at the time, he made several attempts to raise funding for a hospital. Finally, in 1919, he was successful in persuading the government at the time to forward a grant towards building a hospital.
But the website that we will be launching now, will be meeting the aspirations of those especially who will be seeking the medical assistance or patient health care of this mission hospital. We are now in the 100 years of the hospital service to the people of the state and outside, and we are very fortunate to have this program one after another, and this will be a record in the history of the hospital in days to come.
Dr. Roberts must have surely deployed the latest available equipment for the operating theatres, the laboratories and other wings of the hospital. And I'm sure I will not be incorrect to say that this hospital was the then premier institution of the east and northeastern part of the country, partly because it embarked on the relevant technology of the day. Technology is a necessity for any institution which wants to make itself useful and relevant to the people it serves. This is more so for institutions who are in the healthcare sector. The pace of technology development in this sector is at breakneck speed. Digital technology, and in particular the exciting advancements and applications of machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics in healthcare are becoming ubiquitous. However, while evaluating the technology to embrace, it is imperative that for any institution to understand the people it wants to serve and the reasons why it wants to serve them, to understand the people it serves and to know why it wants to serve them. For instance, since I'm from the e-governance space, 2 decades back when the government of India wanted to embark on making services easily available to its citizens, this is the vision statement which it adopted for itself.